Hey guys, here's how to build dashboards that actually help executives make decisions. Step 1. Build a revenue pipeline dashboard. Track deals by stage, bottlenecks, win probability, forecast. Use conditional formatting to highlight stalled deals. Step 2. Create a team performance dashboard. Show calls made, emails sent, closed deals, deal value per rep. This helps you instantly see who needs support or more leads. Step 3. Building a customer health dashboard. Include NPS, active product usage, renewal likelihood. This tells executives which accounts are at risk. Step 4. Marketing attribution dashboard. Use HubSpot's multi-touch attribution. First touch, last touch, linear, time decay. This reveals which campaigns actually convert, not just which one get clicks. Step 5. Decision making panel. Add quick visuals for month-over-month revenue, SAC or CAC, LTV, pipeline coverage ratio. Executives get everything they need to make decisions without pulling reports manually. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.